what trends we should be all aware of? What's coming next?
Yeah, look, again, the indicators for the stock market are pretty dire. We're now beginning to find out that the jobs market isn't as robust as the Democrats are telling us. We're beginning to find out that the inflationary numbers, yes, they may not be rising, but now they're changing a lot of the underlying calculations that go into the inflationary numbers. You know, I would always ask, what are you paying at the grocery store? What are you paying at the gas pump? How's your insurance costs looking this year, right? Let's start talking about those numbers. Those will tell you the true story of where we're at. So if I'm in an environment that's inflationary, if I'm in an environment that's predicting clearly to those that look, it's predicting some kind of market crash or recessionary environment, what do I want to do? Where do I want to go? So again, the majority of people will do nothing and suffer the consequences, but there will be a small elite group, folks like us, who will move anything that's liquid in any capacity.